So hello everybody. It's your stay-at-home grandma, and I went to the dollar store and to Acme, the grocery store. And so I'm going to do this not in order, but I'm just going to show you what I got. So I got the Capri Sun. I got two of these. They were Capri Sun Tropical Punch for the girls and for me too. And then I got and how are you, by the way? I am so sorry. Excuse my manners. And then I got the Mountain Cooler. And I'm going to try this one. See how that works. Because I like Capri Sun. I've always liked Capri Sun. And then I got, and this is not in order stuff because I didn't put them in order. Then I got from the Dollar Tree, I got some sweet tea. He got some baked beans, some Campbell's baked beans too. They were in there. Nice size too. Got another one. I think he got 4 altogether. I'm not so sure. But that's another Campbell's baked beans. I thought that was really good. So anyway, then I got, oh, here's the other sweet teas. So how's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. I had a good day. My leg is still well done, but I'm going to the doctor, so I'll tell her. I don't know whether it's swelling out of proportion or whatever, but it's still kind of bothering me, but I move on. Then, this is the box that I believe. These were all my husband's for his down the shop. We got these little scouring pads. Then you got some of these. I think you got. Then I got lunch meat. I got 2 packs of this because, okay, you ever like, and in the middle of the night around 12 o'clock, and sometimes I'm working and then I finish about 12 o'clock usually. I come downstairs and I want a little something to eat. And we don't ever have lunch meat. And I've never, the other day, now don't laugh. Please don't laugh. I had a craving for a bologna sandwich. Okay? I really did. I haven't craved bologna in years. So, and then I got other Arizona sweet tea. What? Did you get 4 or did you get 3? I guess it might get 4. Unless this is mine. No, he got 4. Then, let me see what this is. We got 4. Then I got the Arizona, the iced tea with the lemon. Although I make iced tea, I love iced tea, so never enough iced tea around. And then, what's this? Now these are the beans. You got 4 cans of these, pork and beans. And that, like I said, they're Campbell's. And I went in, I had coupons, but I didn't have coupons. So I was really, but that's okay. Because now I know they're there. So I will be taking my coupons. And at Acme, he got some watermelon. That was $5. I thought that was a good price. Let's taste it, see what it tastes like. Want to taste it with me? I washed my hands, don't worry. Not that sweet. Then, Acme I got gluten-free. It's a home-style gluten-free for my granddaughter that's got allergies. And I got calf's liver. My husband got 2 of these. He got these. That's nice liver. For everybody that likes liver. I like liver. Then, and that made that. No, yeah, that made that. These potato chips, the jalapeno one, and the original one. So those are for the girls. Then, at the dollar store, I got, you know what I got? Not 1, not 2, but 3 Jumix. I got 3 of these because my granddaughter, the reason I got 3, my granddaughter bought me 2 earlier. So that's what I needed to get me home. Then, I got my granddaughter some donuts. So she'll have some donuts over here. So then, it's almost finished with this side. Then, at the dollar store I got these dirt floor cloths, but I use these to dust with and all kinds of things. Got 2 of these. And then I got some spoons. And then, oh, he got some pens. Those are his pens. Let me put them. Those are permanent markers. Then I got some of these. They're mango chili lime. These are good little things to snack on. They're black bean harvest snaps. Harvest snap black beans, actually. I got these. Then I got 2 of these. The paper, the tissue paper. One in multiple colors and then one in multiple colors, different colors. So I'm going to have fun with these, because you know I like to decoupage and all that. So then we get another bunch of these permanent markers. Let me put those in his little bag. So anyway, that's this side. I gotta go to the other side. So then we got water. Then we know that what that looks like. Then I got at Acme. Turn the bag around. I got mayonnaise. I got butter. I don't eat it. I never heard of it until I came here. And that's scrapple. And he was happy because it was made in Delaware. And then this is when, I know where I went because I had all those coupons. Well, I had some coupons I had to use up today. I got silk milk, the almond flavor, and then I got silk the chocolate one. I got the chocolate flavor. Then I got, oh, this is from the dollar store, and I got 2 bags, not one. I got some trash bags until we go to the commissary to get, you know, I got like, I think like 200 bags the last time, and I still got like 3, but just in case, we're going to the commissary this weekend. And I found this at the dollar store, so I got another one. Then I got another lunch meat. Then got some these from my granddaughter. I got 2 peach pies because we like the pies. We really, really do. Then at Acme, I got, well, he got 2. He took one upstairs. The watermelon tropical. He got 2 of these. Then at the dollar store, I got some A&D ointment. Got 2. I got Dream Big. Got that for my granddaughter. She likes her little notebooks. And I got this for my little granddaughter because now when you reduce life to black and white, you miss the rainbow. So I got that for my little granddaughter. Because now she likes them too. Then I got some Whoppers for them. And then I got some of this yarn. This is like a rainbow color. And then I got the other one, which is kind of like this yarn right here. If you buy it at a regular store, it costs about $6 or $7, I think. As opposed to, and it's not that much bigger than this one. Let me put these pens in here in his bag. Okay, there it is. Then, I'm almost finished. Then I got, these are the mat cutters. There's 2 in a package. So what I'm going to do is finish what I started upstairs in the art room. I had been gluing these down, and these seem to be a little bit bigger, and so it'll cover the whole surface. Then I've got some that I can cut in between. And then, this is what I got, my coupons. I got, this is what I got from the dollar store. I got some dish soap. Going through the wrong bag. Got some toilet bowl cleaner. I found one, and then I asked her to go, and she said, oh, here they are. And these are the Eileen's tacky glue. Okay? So whenever I find that, I get 2 or 3 because they're not that easy to come by in the dollar store. And for a little bit more, it costs like $3. So you get about this much more. I think it's like $3.50 or $3.75, something like that. And these are for my toilet bowl. I'm sure that you were really amazed, huh? Then I got I think there's one more bag. Maybe 2. No, there's 2 more bags. Oh, another iced tea. Then I got, and this was the coupons they sent me. They sent me 3 of them. So I got this for free actually. It's $2.99. I had a coupon for $3. And I got the all-purpose cleaner, the Lysol cleaner. And I like lemon smell. And then I got the large toilet bowl cleaner, which was $1.99. I got that for free. That's 10x. And it has bleach in it. And that's Lysol. And then I got this right here. And actually what I was thinking, I really don't need these, but that's okay. I really should have got another cleaner, but too late now. I really wasn't thinking. Then that's it. And that's what I got. Now I'm going to put everything away. I'm going to make me a sandwich. No, I'm going to make a sandwich. And then I might come back on and do some more. I don't know. Depends on how I feel. I've actually worked out the schedule. It's a working schedule, and you know it's a work in progress with me. But we're going to do this. All right, so I love everybody. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.